Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, October 22nd. We are shipping tonight for a race from Ilion, New York tomorrow. Good night and goodbye.
You pull this out, you hit the green button when the bird comes in, and you scan the bird right here.
Oh, is that
You
right?
can't do that on those expensive clocks.
It's a beautiful bird in just the right condition and everything else. If I had to send a papa bird to a race, this is what I want to feel like, and I don't have a bird in there that's equal to that. That's excellent.